Abdominal weight loss yoga can help you lose the gut. Whenever anyone says or gestures that they want to lose weight, most of the time, they point to their guts saying, "I wanna lose all this." Obviously, abdominal weight loss is a goal for many people. However, what most people might not be aware of is that of all exercises, yoga actually can help immensely for weight loss in the abdominal region. There are specific poses that target excess weight in the abdomen, and coupled with a customized diet, those seeking abdominal weight loss would find success in using these yoga exercises. Let's go over them, shall we? Abdominal weight loss, yoga poses to use. 1. The Sun Salutations. These are a combination of poses that serve as a warm-up routine for a yoga session or class. They are very similar to the popular calisthenics exercise known as burpees. However, they differ in that they have a spiritual significance included as a result of executing them. Due to the forward and backward bending motions involved, after performing a few to several rounds on a daily basis, you are bound to notice a marked loss of weight in your abdominal area and the added bonus of muscular tone. 2. The bow pose. This simple pose involves laying flat on your belly and grabbing your ankles with both arms while simultaneously lifting your head up high. When performed correctly, you should be resting on your abdomen. Needless to say, it is a pose commonly recommended for weight loss and the prevention and correction of chronic constipation. 3. The peacock pose. This is slightly more challenging. The objective is to balance your abdomen on your conjoined elbows while simultaneously raising your legs and head of the floor. Naturally, merely attempting it speeds up abdominal weight loss and detoxification of the visceral organs, and the preparatory stage could suffice as the actual execution of the pose till the mastery of it is achieved. 4. The abdominal lift. This is not a pose, per se, but is a specific exercise that involves you exhaling your breath and pulling the diaphragm in while holding the breath out. This is a specific abdominal exercise for weight loss, spiritual rejuvenation and detoxification. Now friends, there are other poses such as the shoulder stand, the forward bending pose, the spinal twist and the wheel pose that also target increase in muscular tone and weight loss in the abdominal regions. However, from practice the 4 above will perhaps be the most effective. Do note though that if you are female and pregnant or in your menstrual period, some of these poses might not be the best to execute. Moreover, since these poses besides helping with abdominal weight loss aid tremendously with detoxifying, it is advised that one eats a proper and healthy diet to augment the actions of these poses. Other fantastic exercises for abdominal weight loss include your intense aerobics, the use of the ab wheel, basic sit-ups, windmills, etc. So empower yourself with these tips and information to achieve your goal for weight loss. Lose that gut starting today. Write in the comments what you think about it. Subscribe to our channel, put your likes and watch many more useful and interesting videos on the channel.